everyone, and thank you so much for joining me today. I have my last 2 Allure Beauty Boxes for my 3-month subscription. I'm really excited to go through these with you. I have to decide if I want to continue my subscription. So we're going to go through the boxes, see what's inside, see if they're products that I'm even going to use, and what they're worth. If you are new here, welcome. I'm Michelle. I enjoy makeup, skincare, and lifestyle. I post videos every Friday morning at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I hope that you will subscribe. And if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're not familiar with the Allure Beauty Box, it is a monthly subscription beauty service. They have 3 different subscription types. You can pay monthly, where it's $23 per month. You can prepay for 3 months, which is $60, so it's $20 per month. You can also pay yearly, which is their best value. It's $228 for the year. So basically you're getting 2 boxes for free. For each box, they're editor-approved beauty picks. You get 6+ beauty products worth $100 or more. You get 3 full-size products, free shipping in the US. When you sign up for their subscription, you also have access to their member store, and you can get up to 80% off retail prices on products, so you can actually add to your box. And when you sign up, you get a free gift with your first box. Let's just dive right in. I have my June box sitting here, which I received right after my May box, which is why I didn't post a video, because they would have been back to back, which was silly. This is how the box comes. It's a pretty plain box, nothing super exciting like the FabFitFun. When you open it up, it tells you a little bit about the Allure magazine, has a little bit of information in there. They have some little pamphlets in here. One is they have limited edition Reader's Choice Award boxes. So there's other types of boxes that you can purchase. They also give you this little mini catalog which highlights some of the products that are in your box. This is what's inside my box. It looks a little sparse in there, but that's okay. There's at least 6 items. The first thing that I have in here, it looks like it's an eyeshadow palette. It is by Ciate London. It is their Everyday Vacay palette, worth $30. This is the full size. Has a really big mirror, which is nice. These are the colors. I just swatched them, so I will insert a picture for you. They swatch really smooth, so I'm excited to try that out. Next, I have Belief Aqua Bomb Hydrating Moisturizer. This is a body moisturizer. This is 1 fluid ounce, so this is not the full size. That's what it looks like. It definitely has a scent. It felt good going on. It faded really quick, but it is super, super sticky. I don't know if this is a body lotion that I'm gonna continue to use. It says that it instantly hydrates with a soft, lightweight gel texture. Dermatologist tested. It leaves skin feeling smooth and not sticky. I don't know how I feel about this. I may end up just using this kind of as a foot cream at night and then put socks on. I don't like how it feels. Next I have, it looks like a lip scrub. It says Lippy Love 2.0 lip scrub. It says this is worth $19. That seems like a lot for a lip scrub. It's a stick lip scrub, which is nice because you don't have to stick your finger in a little pot. So it's almost like a lip balm with a little bit of exfoliating beads in there. So you can just rub it along your lips to just slough off some of the dry skin on your lips. And then you just take a washcloth and wipe it off, or a tissue. It's supposed to leave your lips nice and smooth before you put on a lipstick or a lip gloss. Next I have a Rain Drench Serum. This is a hydrating and smoothing serum with hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, vitamin B5, and zinc. This is worth $24 for 1 ounce, so this is the full size. It has a little dropper. Looks pretty thick. It's like a gel. It says hydrating and smoothing serum. It has hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, and antioxidants to improve your overall skin texture, minimizes pores, and smooth complexion. So this seems like just a pretty basic hyaluronic acid niacinamide gel. It did soak right into my hand. There is definitely no fragrance, and it does say that it is cruelty-free. Next I have a Sephora Smooth and Blur Primer. Diffuses the look of imperfections with ginkgo extract and stabilized vitamin E. This is just the mini size. The 1 ounce is $16. This is a 0.16 fluid ounce, so this is just a tiny little guy. It actually feels pretty empty. Let's see if this has a fragrance. I don't smell anything, but I was surprised. It is tinted. It looks a little orangey. This definitely has the feel of dimethicone to it. Let's see what it says. Silky vitamin E infused formula has a supernatural way of blurring skin like a soft focus filter on Instagram. Okay. It immediately makes the complexion look so smooth and even, hiding redness with a sheer subtle tan tint. You may just hesitate to add foundation on top. I don't know about a supernatural way of smoothing out your skin. I think that's hilarious. But I will give this little guy a try, but it definitely has a really heavy dimethicone feel to it. And I don't know how it's gonna play well with some of my foundations. Next is an eye cream. This is Symbiosis Tightening Eye Mask. It says that you can use this daily. It has avocado oil, shea butter, hyaluronic acid to plump fine lines around the eyes. And it has a special ingredient called Polulan. I'm so sorry if I am pronouncing these wrong. It has a temporary tightening effect on the under eye for bags and puffs. That sounds really exciting. This is $93 for a half ounce. So this is a full size. This I'm looking forward to using. That sounds really interesting. Don't know if it's going to do anything for tightening, but I'm all for any type of eye treatment that does something. We're done with the June beauty box. If I add up the full size products, which was the hyaluronic acid serum, the lip scrubby, the eye treatment, and the eyeshadow palette, it comes to $166. So the box is $23. I get $166 worth of products, plus the 2 other small samples of the Belief Body Moisturizer and the primer. So the box is definitely worth over $100. Are they products that I'm gonna use? Probably not. I'm gonna try the eye cream and I'm gonna try the palette. I think the other ones I'll give away to friends and see if they like them and they'll enjoy them. Let's move on to July's beauty box. This one is much heavier than the June. I don't know how many products are in here. So I got 7 products in this box versus 6 in the other one. Again, it comes with your little pamphlet that highlights some of the products. The first thing is PCA skincare, which I do enjoy. This is a full-size Rebalance Daily Moisturizer for all skin types. This is 1.7 ounce and it retails for $53. This says that it is an extra light moisturizer. It's fortified with soothing antioxidants, niacinamide, and vitamin E. Use morning and night. Let's see if this has a smell. Oh, dang it. This is sealed. I'm not going to peel this seal off because I'm not going to be using this right away. Let me just see if it says that it has a fragrance or not. I know a lot of the products have a fragrance. Formulated without synthetic dyes or synthetic fragrances. So it sounds like this does have a fragrance. It's just not a synthetic fragrance. It's probably similar to some of their other products. I do love a really good moisturizer, especially a lightweight moisturizer. So that's a good full size. Next here we have a sample of La Roche-Posay Lipicar Wash AP Plus Gentle Foaming Moisturizing Wash. This I will definitely be using. This is fragrance free. It's a milky gel that removes all traces of makeup, leaving skin softer than it was pre-washed. It has glycerin, which is a humectant that keeps your skin hydrated for hours. And it has niacinamide and shea butter. This sounds like a great moisturizing cleanser, especially for mature skin. This is just a half ounce. The full size is actually a 13.52 ounces, only for $14.99. Their washes are so affordable. I'm really looking forward to using that. Next, looks like nails, a stick-on gel nail. They look like they're an ombre. It says these are made from real gel polish, so they look just like a professional manicure. They last up to 10 days without chipping. They don't lift or bubble in the shower or snag on hair like some nail stickers. That's the worst. You get your prep cloth, your nail file, your little cuticle stick to push your cuticles back. Oh, this is just a coating. These are just stickers that you put on top of your actual nail. I thought these were fake nails, which they are not. I didn't even know these exist. These are really convenient versus going through the hassle of painting your nails, doing a top coat, and doing all that type of thing. Just put a sticker on them and you're good to go. If I can grow my nails out, I really want to give those a try. Next is the Mighty Patch. Looks like these are patches for dark spots. I've never used these before. I have used the ones for acne, which work fantastic. It says visibly brightens post blemish marks. Just leave it on for 6 to 8 hours. And it says repeat every 2 to 3 days, and it's supposed to get rid of the spot. So these I will probably give a try, or I can give them to my teenage son. He can use them. Next is a long-lasting liquid lipstick from Ofra. I'm not a big fan of liquid lipsticks. I definitely prefer a gloss. It is a pretty color. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on. This actually isn't half bad. The color's pretty nice. It's kind of neutral. I'm gonna go ahead and just leave that on and see if it gets drying. This liquid lipstick is worth $20. That's a full size. Next, for $12, it's a set of 4 1-ounce tubes of body lotions. This is a starter kit. It says they have scents like vanilla and rose, 4 rich body creams that leave your skin feeling smooth and moisturized. Body creams are nice. I will use these. Last, we have Sonage Baby Friaz Mini Icy Globes. These are really popular. I know a lot of people use these to help depuff the eye area. So these are little glass globes. You don't put them in the freezer. You put them in your refrigerator for 15 minutes before you want to use them. We do not recommend leaving them in the freezer. Okay, so you just put these in the fridge, get them nice and cold, and you can just take them out and use them underneath your eyes or on your face. It says gently glide the globes over your face in a clockwise circular motion. Repeat around the eye area and in the areas with redness or blemishes. Okay, well, these are super cute. They do have some glitter floating around in there. They are American-made, non-toxic ingredients, cruelty-free, spa grade. I'm not sure if I'm going to be using these. I may just gift these to someone that may get more use out of them than I would. For July's box, I received 7 products. It looks like almost all of them are full size with the exception of the La Roche-Posay. The Mighty Patches are a full size. The PCA is a full size, which I'm excited about. The Icy Globes, I will probably be gifting these to a friend. I like the sample of the La Roche-Posay. Their washes are super affordable, so I'm looking forward to using that. The Ofra, I don't know how I feel about that. It doesn't feel drying at all on my lips. I may end up just trying it. The Stick-On Gel is amazing. These are awesome. Just stick them right on your nails. I'm excited about these, so I'm going to add up the box. And my box total is $166.99. So basically $167 for my $23 box. I'm definitely going to be giving some of these things away, but I still think that they're worth it. So guys, that is it for my Allure Beauty Box unboxing. I was much happier with the July box than I was with the June. I am going to go ahead and continue my subscription service. I wasn't sure how I felt about it. They do have some great items in there. They have some fantastic brands. Most of the things that have come in my boxes I have tried out and used and enjoyed. And if not, I just give it to a friend. I'm probably going to do the annual subscription just so I can save a little bit of money and get the 2 free boxes. So that is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch. Have a great weekend, and I will see you in my next video.